Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a stable, toothy surface so layers stick and relief reads. Mix modeling paste with a little heavy body acrylic for adhesion. Apply in thin passes to avoid cracking. Once done, block in rough flower shapes at different depths. Background flat, mid slightly raised, foreground high relief. Make sure to vary edge hardness. Soft edges recede, crisp edges advance. This first build defines volume and guides later shadow work, so work deliberately and let each layer cure fully before continuing. Now sculpt details and lock in values so color reads with the relief. As paste firms, refine petal curvature with carving tools and a damp brush to soften ridges. This creates catchlights and natural overlap. Next, lay a thin underpainting to establish dark to light flow, cool tones in recesses, warm midtones on petals. Once dry, glaze translucent color layers to build saturation without obscuring form, and scumble edges for feathered transitions. These steps create believable depth and preserve highlights for the final pass. Finish by sharpening edges and placing crisp highlights to sell three-dimensionality. You can apply thick impasto highlights sparingly with a knife to catch light, then seal the work with a thin matte varnish followed by satin or gloss on petals that should pop. Make sure to step back often and view from different angles. This reveals distracting seams. If things go wrong, sand lightly, resculpt with a teeny amount of paste, or use diluted washes to blend transitions. These fixes preserve texture while correcting form.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.